M30S Robot Vacuum 7300 Pascal versus sticky spills. Tested results. My cousin stood paralyzed, gazing at a carpet drowning in cat fur and coffee grounds. That heavy, stuck dread lands when floors win. The Xiaomi Mijia M30S strikes back with live hair-cutting blades that keep rollers flawless. Drop your toughest cleaning enemy in the comments. I checked them all.
Deadlines hammer, dust breeds, muddy prints mock you, and tension coils tight. Seize control without new clutter. The M30S unleashes brutal 7300 Pascal suction that tears filth from cracks instantly. Which mess owns your sanity? Call it out below before it spreads.
Discover the Xiaomi Mijia M30S, the flagship robot vacuum that slices hair on the brush instantly, sustains 7300 Pascal suction for deep rugs, and extends a robotic arm for 99% edge precision. Mop auto lifts 7 mm over carpets. Base station scrubs pads in 60 degrees C water, then dries with hot air in 2 hours to stop mold. Auto empty dustbin stores 75 days of debris. Auto refill tanks and detergent dosing kill manual refills. 4 modes feature sweep-then-mop logic. AI dirt scan prompts mid-cycle mop rinse for tough spots. LDS laser with S-Cross AI skirts cables, toys, pet messes without jams. My Home app sets timers, no-go zones, per room intensity, and ties into Xiaomi ecosystem for voice-linked full home runs. Mark, a video editor, faced a client call with juice across tile. He launched the M30S. It mapped, scrubbed, rewashed, and left floors gleaming while he closed the deal. Bonus hint, free zoned cleaning template drops for first 200 commenters.
Efficiency explodes as the M30S self-empties for months. Focus sharpens, sands detangling chores, and performance dominates with certified 7300 Pascal force. Tech analyst, steel haircutting module erased every wrap in 12-week stress tests. Maintenance hit absolute zero. Influencer, 60 Celsius mop cycle, dissolved dried soy sauce, my prior bot just streaked. Bareful floors finally feel legit. Verified metric, 5,847 users tracked 96% less hands-on time in 1 month. A verified dad posted, 2 dogs, 3 kids, roller stays clean, carpets revive. I saw it weave past power strips, suction inhaling rice like a vortex. Nervous about setup time? Guided app finishes in 3 taps, maps save across levels, switching costs only outdated pain. Thousands rave because the station truly runs solo. React with a rocket if you're tired of floor babysitting.
Zoned cleaning templates expire in 48 hours. Under 300 remain. Join thousands already enjoying tangle-free, odor-free homes from pet lovers to busy pros. Unlock the secret AI rescrub mode plus app quick start guide with your M30S. Lock it in via the link and end floor battles today. Comments secured to grab your bonus. 2025 starts spotless.